Operation RV, back here with another video. That's right, guys, it's all about the sheriff today, because she has just went from this to that. That's right, I said it, from that to this, all on a budget paint job done by myself. It's taken about 2 months, but what you're looking here is a paint job that is pretty much ultimately been transformed. It's an 06 Ford Crown Victoria P71. It's got the 4.6 liter 281 motor. Paint job is, like I said, done by me. It is a budget paint job by Rattle Can. It's all Krylon brand. Top half tone is black, bottom half is the metallic gray. She's definitely sitting on, zoom in here, some American Muscle 17x9s. Yeah, wrapped in the Otani's 235/55 ZR17s. I went ahead and painted my calipers too while we're at it. But let me pan around here. The little rumbly you got, those are the 22-inch Jones tips coming out the back there. Yeah, that is it. We got the lenses here smoked out by the smoked lens paint. Let's see. Go ahead on this side. That is it right here. That is it. It's been a long road, guys. It's taken, like I said, 2 months for this project to be finished. Smoked lenses and smoked fog lenses. So let's go ahead and open the hood here. And I will finish this all up at some point too. It won't be the white. It's actually going to be, you know, I'll do it all black to make it match. I do have it tuned. SCT tuner. Right now I'm running a 91 Octane tune. Here after a while I will be sending them with the custom tune that needs to be done with all the goodies that I have. It's the hood. She is running pulleys. Added pulleys on it. Also added a 1-inch monobody spacer. And she definitely is a working cowl hood. This thing does reduce a lot of heat. It just comes out right off the top there. And we'll go over the stereo system another time. But this is it, guys. I got a lot of stuff planned. Gears will be coming next. I already got those, just need to get them installed. But yeah, that is it, guys. I hope y'all enjoy. It's been a long process on this paint job, but I will finish her out and give you guys another update in about a month. All right, guys. Again, like, subscribe, always leave a comment down below. We'll see you next time. Peace.